Hi everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and get ready to boost your English with today's quiz. We're diving into adjectives at the A2 level with a fill-in-the-blank challenge. This will help you use adjectives more confidently in your everyday English. Good luck, and let's get started. The soup is too. I can't eat it now. The correct answer is B. Hot means having a high temperature. If you can't eat the soup now, it is probably too hot. She is very. She always helps others. The correct answer is B. Friendly means kind and helpful. A friendly person often helps others. My little brother is very. He runs everywhere. The correct answer is C. Active means full of energy. If he runs everywhere, he is active. This book is really. I can't stop reading it. The correct answer is C. Interesting means it catches your attention. If you can't stop reading, it's interesting. The exam was. I didn't understand many questions. The correct answer is C. Hard means difficult. If you didn't understand, the exam was hard. We had a day at the beach. The correct answer is C. Nice means good and pleasant. A nice day at the beach means you enjoyed it. Her voice is very. I love listening to her. The correct answer is B. Soft means gentle and pleasant to hear. If you love her voice, it's soft. I feel so after that big meal. The correct answer is C. Full means you have eaten enough. After a big meal, you feel full. His jokes are always. The correct answer is C. Funny means they make you laugh. Jokes are funny if they make people laugh. Be when you cross the road. The correct answer is B. Careful means to take care and watch out. It's important to be careful on the road. The movie was so that I fell asleep. The correct answer is C. Boring means not interesting. If you fell asleep, the movie was boring. That cake looks. The correct answer is B. Tasty means delicious. If a cake looks good to eat, it looks tasty. He's very. He always says thank you. The correct answer is B. Polite means showing good manners. Saying thank you is polite. I was to hear the bad news. The correct answer is C. Sad means unhappy. Bad news often makes us feel sad. Her room is always so. The correct answer is B. Clean means not dirty. A clean room looks tidy and fresh. The weather is very today. Let's go for a walk. The correct answer is C. Nice means pleasant. Good weather for a walk is usually nice. I was when I lost my keys. The correct answer is C. Angry means upset or mad. Losing your keys can make you feel angry. Don't be. Everyone makes mistakes. The correct answer is C. Nervous means worried. You don't need to be nervous about mistakes. She looks. Her eyes are red. The correct answer is C. Tired means needing rest. Red eyes often show someone is tired. This jacket is too. I need a bigger one. The correct answer is A. Small means not big enough. If you need a bigger one, the jacket is too small. Fantastic job completing the quiz. You've just practiced using adjectives to describe things in context. Thanks for learning with me on Hello Word, and I hope you feel more confident with these words. Keep practicing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.